Can I use my Apple gift card to pay for an Apple Music subscription?
Hello there, Apple users. Today, we are going to answer a very common question. Can I use my Apple gift card to pay for an Apple Music subscription? This video will provide a step-by-step guide on how to use your Apple gift card towards your Apple Music subscription.
Understanding your Apple gift card.
Firstly, let's understand what an Apple gift card is. An Apple gift card is a prepaid payment method offered by Apple that you can use to purchase various Apple digital services. One important detail to remember is that the availability of these services may vary depending on your country or region.
Can I use my Apple gift card for Apple Music subscription?
Here's the key part. Yes, you can use your Apple gift card to pay for your Apple Music subscription. You can use your Apple gift card to add credit to your Apple ID, and then use that credit for all types of purchases made in the Apple ecosystem, including your Apple Music subscription.
How to use my Apple gift card for Apple Music subscription.
Here are the steps to use your Apple gift card for your Apple Music subscription. 1. Redeem your Apple gift card in the App Store. 2. This will add credit to your Apple ID. 3. Once the credit is added, it will automatically be used for your Apple Music subscription fee. To wrap things up, Apple gift cards are indeed a flexible and convenient payment method for all things Apple, including your Apple Music subscription. Now you know how to use your Apple gift card to enjoy uninterrupted access to your favorite tunes. We hope this video has been helpful to you. Happy listening!